What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone is doing well. Today's video, I am going to be talking about the new light kit that I recently installed in my Redcat Gen8 Axe Edition. So not too long ago, I put a light kit in my TRX4 Bronco. A light kit was always very high up on my list as something I wanted to do that for one reason or another, it always got overlooked. So after I installed the light kit in the Bronco, I really wanted to get one for the Redcat. The Redcat has been just one of my favorite trucks to drive, and once I saw how cool the lights were, and I'm trying to go like scale, not all out performance on this rig, I realized I really needed to get the light kit for it. So I got the My Trick RC kit, the Dragon 1 controller for the Bronco. They do not offer that kit for this rig, but I did still want to stay with My Trick RC, so I went ahead and I got their kit that they offer for this. It is the UF7B. That is the kit that I got to do this install. It's not quite as powerful as the Dragon controller, and you don't have the different brightness settings that I've figured out on the configuration that I have. But it's still a pretty easy install. It's a plug and play. It's actually pretty clean on this truck, and I'll pop this lid off and I'll just show you a couple of things about this kit. Okay, so we got the lid up here a little bit, and you can see these are the wires. Now, this kit I run off the receiver, so it doesn't run off the balance port of your battery. This one runs off the power of your receiver. Now you can see I got two different Y connectors in here. You can't really see the Y in this one. I got it zip tied, but this one controls on an on-off switch, and then this one is just not used. So I went to another channel. On my Gen 8, I got that 6 channel in there, so I had plenty of room. And then this is the one it came with, so I had to order one of these extra so you can use both functions. And then those just go into my controller here. It's on the back side of my body. Let me unplug these. So if you unplug these two, just like your servo, anything like that, you unplug them from the controller. And then your body is good to go. So up in here, that's my controller up in there, as you can see. So I just taped it up and everything wires to it. So here's another look. It comes with zip ties, and it comes with these like little square pieces, and you can tape those down and put zip ties through those. So I chose to use those as well. So the wiring is all pretty clean. So now if you choose to run lights on the body only, you can just unplug those two Y connectors. Losing some 3D parts here, falling out. So if you want to do the marker lights that it comes with, the orange color, this is what you have here. I just have this tied up, but this little port right here, this white one, this port, you just plug that in to the controller. And then I got these front lights. These are custom. I just put their included lights in these instead of the Redcat bumper because I got a different bumper on this truck now. I haven't shown that, but I will be soon. I'm just waiting for something else. So if you're interested in that, make sure you subscribe because I'll be talking about that front bumper setup in another video. So again, you have, with those extra lights, you get another plug you would have to plug in. So then that'd be 4 things total. So that is one thing over the Dragon controller that is different. You don't have the one plug with all of the other wiring staying on the truck. So, you know, you have to plug in right now just 2. I haven't been running these just because I really don't want to have to plug them in, to be honest with you. So if I'm doing something real scale or special, I might plug those in. But other than that, I just need kind of the headlight function. That's kind of what I think. But the kit is definitely great. Now, you get functions. Let's plug this in here so I can show you. Okay, my body is all on, and on my radio, I just plugged it into the channel 3 port for this switch here. and I hit the switch, and my headlights go out. Hit the switch, and the headlights come back on. It's super sweet. I wanted that so bad. I think it's just so cool. You know, I can just turn the lights on anytime I want. I think it just adds that little bit of a scale like look that is just amazing. The light kits just really step your game up. If you're at all interested, I highly recommend one. So moving on to like the functions of this controller, which are really nice, is I bought that extra Y cable. Now you cannot do that. You cannot do both of these functions here. So here's the other function. You can see my tail lights here. As I start to go forward, I'm not sure if the camera is going to pick it up, but they will dim as you go. You can see them changing, and then when you let off, they go brighter. And then when you back up, the reverse lights come on. So you can, out of the box, you can only do one of those functions. I went with the reverse lights, and then I got the Y connector and did it on the switch because I thought that it was really cool to have the reverse lights and the dimming tail lights. So it just adds that little bit more of a realistic appeal to the light kits. If you're interested in picking up one of these kits, they are a little bit more pricey than, like, say, the Redcat one. The Redcat kit is about half the price. I've never seen it or done anything. I know it's a little blue controller box. I don't know much about it. But after the quality of the My Trick RC kit from the Bronco, I kind of just wanted to stay with them. And then you have other ports as well. So if you want to buy other products, you can just plug it right into their controller and operate it. So I like that touch, so I decided to just spend the extra money and go with another My Trick RC kit. So overall, it's a great kit. I don't know longevity, how it will hold up, but just getting the kit, the quality of it, the install is easy. They supply all the stuff that you need. If you want to go big, you buy extra lights, buy that an extra Y cable so you can run it off a switch. In the application on the Redcat itself was super easy with this FlySky. I mean, I literally plugged the Y cable into my receiver on channel 3, and no programming, no nothing. I just hit the button, and the lights were going on and off. So the kit just goes really well with this truck, and there's a diagram for crawling, for drifting, on how to plug everything in when you do the install. I'll throw some clips up that I have of the install, and you can kind of see a little bit there. So you can pull that up online and just get it to your liking. And again, that's what's great about the kit, is all the different tunability. But that's going to cover it. I just really wanted to show you guys the kit, give you my thoughts. I definitely recommend it if you're interested in picking one up. Spend the money and you will not be disappointed. But really appreciate you guys watching the video. Don't forget, I got the photo contest going on. Submit your best scale photo to rcpropaganda@yahoo.com, and you'll be entered for the month. We'll pick a winner on January 24th. Stickers and air fresheners for prizes. So if you're interested, send me your photo with some info of your contacts, and you will make it in the video on the 24th. But as always, you know the deal. I'll catch you guys in the next one.